Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived a community of cats. Each cat had its own special talent, and they all played important roles in keeping the village happy and harmonious. In the heart of the village lived Mia, a small, fluffy cat with the softest white fur and the brightest blue eyes. Mia loved to explore and often wandered into the forest just beyond the village. She was known for her curiosity and her kind heart, always helping anyone in need. One sunny morning, Mia decided to venture deeper into the forest than she had ever gone before. She discovered a hidden glade filled with the most beautiful flowers she had ever seen. As she sniffed the flowers and chased butterflies, she heard a faint meowing coming from a nearby thicket. Mia followed the sound and found a tiny, scared kitten named Luna. Luna had strayed too far from her family and couldn't find her way back. Her fur was tangled with twigs and her eyes were filled with tears. Mia's heart melted at the sight, and she immediately decided to help Luna. "Don't worry, Luna," Mia said gently. "I'll help you find your way home." Mia and Luna set off together, with Mia leading the way. As they walked, Mia told Luna stories about the village and all the friendly cats who lived there. Luna started to feel less scared and more hopeful with every step. After a while, they came across a grumpy old cat named Jasper. Jasper was known for his sharp tongue and gruff demeanor. He was sunbathing on a large rock when Mia and Luna approached him. "Excuse me, Jasper," Mia said politely. "We're trying to find Luna's family. Have you seen any other kittens around here?" Jasper huffed and turned his head away. "Why should I help you?" he grumbled. "I'm comfortable right here." Mia didn't let Jasper's attitude deter her. "Because helping others is the right thing to do," she replied softly. "And one day, you might need help too." Jasper grumbled a bit more, but eventually pointed them in the right direction. "Head towards the big oak tree and then turn left," he said. "You'll find the kitten family there." Mia and Luna thanked Jasper and continued their journey. They soon found Luna's family huddled under the big oak tree, looking worried. Luna's mother, a graceful cat named Stella, rushed forward and scooped Luna into her arms. "Oh, Luna, we were so worried," Stella cried, nuzzling her kitten. Mia watched the reunion with a warm heart. Stella turned to Mia with grateful eyes. "Thank you so much for bringing Luna back to us," she said. "You are truly a kind and brave cat." As Mia walked back to her village, she felt a sense of pride and happiness. She had not only helped Luna, but also reminded Jasper of the importance of kindness and helping others. From that day on, the village cats often spoke of Mia's bravery and kindness. And even Jasper, the grumpy old cat, started to soften. He began to lend a paw to those in need, remembering Mia's gentle words. The moral of the story is, kindness and helping others not only make the world a better place, but also come back to you in unexpected ways. And so, the village of cats thrived in harmony, always ready to lend a paw to anyone in need.